Welcome, everyone. I'm Loch Kelly, and I wanted to share with you today a meditation that I call Awakening Emotions. So many of us may feel some fear at this time in our life, and so let's work with that emotion. Fear is a natural emotion. It's just a matter of who or what is it arising to. Is it taking us over? Is it leading us into triggering a traumatic part of us that we identify with and then affects our physical body and our emotional body and our identity? Or can we shift into a larger view and a more spacious you that's embodied and interconnected and able to allow the emotion to appear to your open-hearted awareness? So let's begin with doing these 30-second shifts of relationship to the emotion of fear. So just find a comfortable way of sitting. Allow yourself to settle in. Maybe taking a little deeper breath into your belly. Allow your rib cage to expand, breathing fully and then breathing out a little slower. And then just one more time as you settle in, just allow your body to take a good full breath. And as you breathe out, just let go and sigh. Just being here now with whatever's here, just as it is. And so now I'll just ask you, eyes open or closed, to say this silently to yourself and feel this for 20 to 30 seconds. I am afraid. And just feel what this is like when you're identified and feeling, I am afraid. And then having felt this even for 1 second fully, just make a slight shift and notice what it feels like. I feel fear. I feel fear. And just so you notice what it's like to shift from I am afraid to I feel fear. And now shift again to I am aware of feeling fear. I am aware of feeling fear. Just fully feeling this shift in relationship to fear for a few seconds. And now shifting again, as this awareness, feel and say silently to yourself, fear is welcome. As this awareness, fear is welcome. Just feeling the difference, the relationship. And then shifting again Awareness and fear are not separate. Awareness and fear are not separate. So just noticing this feeling of the ocean of awareness arising as your body and feeling interconnected to everybody and everything. Awareness that has this aliveness of feeling and emotion and human experience, has greater capacity, feeling this view from open-hearted awareness that welcomes, embraces, is not separate, but is more spacious and pervasive, a sense of a view from the open-heartedness toward your parts that may feel afraid, toward everyone or anyone that may feel afraid in the world. Just noticing how you feel from this sense of open-hearted awareness. This new view and this new location of you that can be with whatever arises, and begin to return home any time of the day with these small glimpse practices. So I wish you all the best and enjoy.